Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and I'm getting back into Samsung videos. iOS 26, the betas there have kind of slowed down a little bit. Obviously, now that the major release of iOS 26 is out, there's not too much to make videos on there. We got the occasional updates here and there, and I obviously will be keeping my iPhone 17 Pro right here. That is usually my daily driver, but I have this right here. I just picked this up over the weekend, or well, it is the weekend right now, but right before the weekend. I've been kind of thinking about getting a Galaxy S25 Ultra again for some video content and just to play around with Samsung and One UI, because I do like One UI 8 and that kind of stuff. It's probably my favorite Android skin right now. So I was thinking about picking one of these bad boys up again over the past probably month, and I've been watching the prices on them, and they've been going on and off sales. $1,100, $1,000, dropped down to $949 at one point, and then right before Black Friday hit, these dropped down to $899, like everywhere. Samsung, Best Buy, Amazon. I actually ordered this one on Amazon, sold by Amazon directly. It's not one of those sketchy, like, refurbished resellers or anything like that, but ordered this from Amazon directly. But Best Buy's got the same deal going on right now. Samsung's got the same deal going on right now. So wherever you prefer to shop, if you want to order one directly from Samsung, or you want to go into your local Best Buy, they do sell the unlocked versions there. Or if you want to order from Amazon, the choice is yours. But you can get them anywhere. $8.99 right now. I don't know what the pricing will be. It's been like that since right before Black Friday. Tomorrow is Cyber Monday, so we'll have to see if it's going to be that cheap later on up through the holidays. I'm kind of guessing it's probably going to go up in cost a little bit, maybe back up to like $9.49 or $9.99 after Cyber Monday. So if you're looking to pick one of these up, you might want to do it now. I will have the Amazon link in the description, as well as a YouTube shopping link to Best Buy and Samsung. So wherever you choose to order one, you can do so right in the description down there. It does support the channel, so that'd be greatly appreciated. One UI 8.5, they're actually supposed to be doing a beta for that. There are some leaked builds for the international versions, which this is not the international version, so unfortunately I can't install it on here yet. But they are rumored to be launching a 8.5 beta here in probably the next week or so, around December 8th. So if that comes out, I will be installing it on my S25 Ultra, provided it is available. So I'm looking forward to that. I've seen a lot of videos and stuff like that on the test builds that leaked out, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty big update for One UI 8, and it looks like it's going to be very nice for customization as well. So look forward to that. If you want to pick one of these up right now, now is the time to do it. Under $1,000 for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the 256. I think the 512 is still under $1,000. I think it might be like $949 or $999. So if you do need a little more storage, you have that option available to you as well. But click the link in the description. I just want to let you guys know that these are on a huge discount right now, and it is well worth looking at. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.